This entire scene was generated with AI in minutes. Imagine creating a complete fantasy scene or a realistic render with high-quality assets in just a few minutes. Sounds impossible? Today I'm testing a powerful AI tool called Meshy.ai. Hey everyone, welcome back to Mr. Rhino 3D. Today I'm diving into something that could seriously change the way we create 3D content, Meshy 6 Preview. If you're into CG, VFX, game assets, 3D design, or even architectural visualization, this tool is next level. I've tested it against some major competitors, and the improvements in mesh quality, speed, and workflow are impressive. Let's see what it can really do. In just a few minutes, Meshy can generate fully detailed 3D models from text or an image, characters, creatures, hard surface objects, buildings. It handles everything with sculpting-level quality. Meshy now integrates Nano Banana, making the workflow smoother and faster. You can instantly generate multiple views, refine prompts, and batch process models, a huge time saver. After creating a 3D model, you can add texture with just one click. Also, there is an option to render your model and add a background for your model. When you create animals or characters, this site can add natural human and animal movements to your 3D models, and you can easily use these movements for your projects and characters in very little time and import them into your own software. The amazing part of the Meshy website is the image-to-video option. Turn your 3D models into cinematic videos directly inside Meshy. No extra software needed. Watch this model come to life with motion, expressions, and physics-based cloth folds. You can transform your render, 3D model, and photo into a video with audio. And yes, it's crazy fast. Compared to other AI tools, Meshy stands out in accuracy and mesh quality. Notice the sharper edges on hard surface models, the expressive faces, and realistic anatomy on characters, details you don't see elsewhere. Even top industry experts have noticed Meshy. Andreessen Horowitz, one of the biggest names in tech investing, has called it a top AI tool for game developers. And creators worldwide are joining the Meshy community, with over 6 million already trusting it. And here's the thing. I tried generating a stylized character with realistic cloth folds and expressive poses. It was done in minutes. Whether you're designing for games, animation, or 3D printing, Meshy fits right into your pipeline. Import into Unreal Engine, Vray, or Lumion, adjust materials, or take it straight to 3D printing, all without losing detail. You can convert multiple images into 3D models in seconds, perfect for concept iterations or generating assets for games. Meshy isn't just tech, it's a community. CG artists, VFX creators, and game developers are all using Meshy to speed up production while maintaining professional quality. Models like Titan's Resolve, Oceanic Wizard, and Elder Goblin Bust show what's possible. My honest opinion about Meshy.ai is lots of tools and techniques to create scenes, models, and textures that I didn't see on other websites. Using Nano Banana to create more details and high-quality models and renders. Image to video for your presentations and small projects is helpful. After spending days testing Meshy.ai, I have to tell you this website is created to help CG artists, VFX creators, game developers, and architectures, not to replace them. After generating numerous 3D models with Meshy.ai, I downloaded all of them and imported them into Lumion to create a cinematic scene by placing each model thoughtfully. I wrote a short story for this video and would like to share a glimpse of the process, offering a behind-the-scenes look at its creation. After setting up all the models, the ocean, and the characters, I rendered the scene and imported it back into Meshy.ai for the final image-to-video transformation. I hope you enjoy it. So if you want faster, more accurate 3D models, smoother workflows, and cinematic-ready output, Meshy 6 Preview is definitely worth checking out. New users get 50% off, no code needed. Start creating on the Meshy website. The link is in the description. For downloading models that I created, and so many free models you can download from Meshy.ai. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and comment if you want more AI 3D workflow tutorials. See you in the next tutorial.